Just a spoon of this simple ingredient can change your entire tomato harvest. Sounds too good to be true? Well, stick around because by the end of this video, you'll discover a secret that could completely transform the way you grow tomatoes. But before I reveal this secret, let's break down why this simple ingredient is so powerful. It's packed with properties that can prevent fungal diseases, balance soil acidity, and even improve the overall health of your tomato plants. One of the biggest threats to tomato plants is fungal infections like powdery mildew and early blight. When humidity rises, these fungal spores spread quickly, damaging leaves and reducing yield. But this ingredient creates an environment where fungi struggle to survive, keeping your plants safe. Another crucial factor in tomato growth is soil pH. If the soil is too acidic, nutrient absorption is compromised, leading to weaker plants. This ingredient helps neutralize excessive acidity, ensuring optimal growth conditions for your tomatoes. And that's not all. When used correctly, this ingredient enhances photosynthesis efficiency, making plants stronger and more productive. Imagine having bigger, juicier tomatoes just by using a simple household staple. Excited to learn what this secret ingredient is? Well, before I reveal it, take a moment to support the channel. If you're enjoying this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more gardening tips. And if you know any fellow gardeners, share this video with them. It might just change their tomato game. And here it is, baking soda. Yes, this simple kitchen staple can be a game changer in your tomato garden. A mix of baking soda, water, and a little dish soap creates a powerful natural fungicide, protecting your plants without the need for harsh chemicals. Simply mix 1 tablespoon of baking soda with 1 liter of water and a few drops of dish soap. Spray this solution on your tomato plants once every 2 weeks and you'll see the difference. Healthy, vibrant, and disease-free plants. So there you have it. Baking soda, the underrated hero of the tomato garden. With its antifungal properties, soil balancing abilities, and growth-enhancing benefits, it's a must-have for any gardener. Give it a try and let me know in the comments how it works for you. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel for more amazing gardening hacks. And remember to share this video with your fellow gardeners. Happy gardening!